No, it's not an extra problem. We have to play another match, and we have the squad to do it. But we'll continue doing, making the rotation. I think it's better for the squad. Look, no, we were not looking. I think it was a very close match. I think that we have more options than Blackburn Rovers, more clear option. But we play against a very strong team here at home, and with a lot of motivation. That's normally when a championship team plays against a Premier League team. Disappointed, not. Of course, everyone wants to win all the games. I repeat that we play against a very strong team here at home. I am sure if Blackburn playing the same way in Champions League, he will be maybe in another position of the table. But it's normal when they have the motivation when they play against us. I will be disappointed if we lose today. Of course, if we are out of the FA Cup, I am disappointed. But we are not out, and we must decide at home. You never know what is better. We had that travel to Abu Dhabi and a friendly match in Abu Dhabi. We will not do it. Now we are going to play against Blackburn Rovers at home. What is better? Nobody knows. Impossible to know.